Here is an up-close look at the DeWalt XR chainsaw. This is the 12-inch brushless. It's got a little guard right here. Here is where you put your battery. We have tons of these batteries, so these tools are perfect for us. We have both DeWalt ones and the generic ones, and they both work great. You have your safety right here with your trigger. It's not super heavy. I can hold it for a while and until I get tired. I'm not sure how much it weighs, but I can handle it. My husband uses it for forever and is perfectly fine, but I do not use it as long as he does when I use it, but it's a good size. It cuts down to our little trees in our backyard and we have no issues with it. Here are the buttons up here. Yeah, this thing has been great. We've had it for a long time and we are super happy with it and how easy it is to use. It comes with a cover and you just slide it on. We like to keep that on there for safety, and also for safety we don't keep the battery in there. When we store it, you just push this button and pull the trigger and there she goes. This thing is great. We love it and there's tons of uses for it.